Yo, what's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be doing a super quick tutorial showing you how to check your Xbox achievements on Xbox app in 2021. Now, Xbox recently did another update to the Xbox app, and as you can see on screen, they are testing the ability for you to check your achievements on the Xbox app. So I'll be showing you how to do that now. So you're going to want to open up Xbox app and then go and hit your profile in the bottom right corner. And you can see straight away that achievements will be underneath your name and all the games are there that you have recently played. Now you can actually select one of those games and you can see all the different achievements pop up for it and what you've completed and like your gamer score for that achievement. There's also highlights and about next to it, but that's been there for the last few months. But yeah, that's literally it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I wasn't actually going to make this video, but the Xbox app tutorials have been doing pretty well lately. Make sure to smash a like if this helped you out and subscribe if you're new to the channel. But I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.